Hi investors and viewers, Bridgewage Finance presenting Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited IPO 2021. If you are interested in mutual fund, SIPs or any investment products, you can log on their website and find your suitable products, guys. So this is one of the biggest company in India, we can say, because people knows Aditya Birla very well across, not across India, but we can say western region of India at least. So Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited. This company has registered in the year of 1994, 5th September RC operations. So 1994. Further, the company has changed as a Birla Capital AMC Limited, Birla Life Asset Management Company, and then they in the year of 29th June 1999. Subsequently, Birla Sun Life Asset Management Company, Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, revised on the 17 July. If you see, there is the group of company forging group of company Aditya Birla Health Insurance Company Limited, Aditya Birla ARC Limited, Aditya Birla Capital Foundation, Aditya Birla Capital Technology Service Limited, formerly known as Aditya Birla My Universe Limited, Aditya Birla Finance Limited, Aditya Birla Financial Shared Services Limited, Aditya Birla Housing Finance Limited, Aditya Birla Insurance Broker, Aditya Birla Management Corporate Private Limited, Aditya Birla Money Insurance Advisory Service Limited, Aditya Birla Money Limited, Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited, Aditya Birla Sun Life Trustee Private Limited, Aditya Birla Wellness Private Limited, Grassism Industry Limited, Vodafone Idea Limited, formerly known as Idea Cellular, SLG Asset Management, also known as previously Sun Life Global Investment Canada Incorporation, Great Oak India Investment Limited. The main objective of the Aditya Birla Sun Life is to carry the business of acting investment agent for mutual funds and to carry business providing financial service consultancy, exchange, otherwise the dealing, research and analysis, commercial basis, as long as not conflict with the fund management activities. So this company is based in Maharashtra, Elphinstone Road. If you see, this company is office in World Trade Center Tower 1, 17th floor, Jupiter Mills, Senapati Bapat Road, Elphinstone Road. So for further information, you can log on their mutualfunds.adityabirlacapital.com. So this company is really old company, since 1994, means more than 3 decades, not 3 decades but 2 decades they have been did the business. Already they completed 25 years probably, yes. So you can find it their milestone in the next template. Aditya Birla milestone since 1994. Aditya Birla Group and Capital Group of Company in corporation with the USA jointly set up Birla Capital International AMC Limited. 1994 Birla Advantage Funds and first debit scheme Birla Income Plus launched. 1996 expand the operations in Mauritius through subsidiaries Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Mauritius. 1999 acquiring right manage the schemes of Apple AMCs and an existing shareholder agreement with the Allied Sun Life AMC Sun Life Assurance Company Canada, 173 calendar In particular, in 2002 launched portfolio management service, where 2005 they have acquired the right managed to the scheme of alliances capital mutual funds, where in the year of 2008 they launched the CSIP with the life insurance cover 100 times for the SIP amount after 3 years of period. In the year of 2011 expand our business in Singapore and Dubai through the subsidiaries of Aditya Birla Sun Life Asset Management Company PTE and Aditya Birla Sun Life Asset Management Company Limited respectively. 2012 launch Aditya Birla Financial Service Privilege Club or loyalty program for MFDs. 2014 conducted our first investment event in Voyage, which is annual flagship investment event. 2014 acquired right to manage the scheme AMC. 2014 mutual funds QAAUM is excluding our domestic FOF cross 1000 billion as September 30, 2014. 2015 launch our personal finance magazine Samriddhi in select Shatabdi train and reached over 5 million passengers across various routes of 30 June 2021. 2016 they have launched active account application to facilitate quick and easy transaction in liquid and fund. 2016 launch investor hangout and same receive over 70,000 active users and over 5.5 million YouTube views as on June 30, 2021. 2017 they have launched Nivesh Mahakumbh program, our investor education program, and reach out 760000 people. That is around we can say 7.6 crores as of June 30, 2021. 2017 launch instantly redemption facility and liquid fund investors. Then they have a launch in 2018 achieved 6 million total folios including domestic FOF and mutual fund QAAUM excluding our domestic product FOF across crossed rupees 2,500 billion as of September 30, 2018. 2021 cross closing AUM milestone of rupees 3,000 billion on July 29, 2021. Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 29th September 2021. IPO closing date will be 1st October 2021. Issue type is book build issue IPO. Face value will be 5 rupees per equity share. IPO price is band between 695 to 712 per equity share. Market lot size 20 shares per lot. Minimum order quantity 20 shares per lot. Listing at NSE and BSE. Basis of allotment date 6 October 2021. Initiation of refund 7th October 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will happen on 8th October 2021. IPO listing date will be 11th October 2021. Application minimum will be 20 shares, which will cost you INR 14,240. Maximum will be 14 lot you can apply, and the number of shares will be 280, and the amount will be 1,99,360 rupees only. Dear investors and viewers, Riddhi Veg Finance gives us special tips on Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited's IPO subscription prediction. We are expecting this subscription slab will be minimum around 55% and maximum it may cross 120 or 135. Yeah, this is one of the biggest company, but according to us, we can say it may get subscribed around, it can cross or crash the market too, but usually it depends on the their investors, basically not only retail but corporate. This is into the mutual funds, and then we can say absolutely even after listing they can do the better business. So choice is yours, and our tips is for retail investors, not for corporate investors. And we can say, yeah, the mutual fund is always go as long as the company hold the trust of investors, how they returns, what are their ability to return within how many number of years, etc. Whatever their benefits are available to the investors or the users. So we can't say anything. Choice is yours. You want to invest it or not. Anyways, bye. Thank you by Vridhvej Finance. Yes, in case of you, if you visit on mutual fund birlacapital.com, you can see the protecting. They have insurance like life insurance, health insurance, multiple wellness, motor insurance, and travel insurance. Where if you see the investing, if you wanted to invest, it is into mutual funds, stock and securities, wealth. Portfolio management services, they are offering pension funds available with them, real estate investment also available with them. If you really wanted to take a loan, you can go ahead with the home finance, personal finance, SME finance, loan against security, and mortgage finance. So they are advising with the money for life planner and ABC of money. So if you have the plan for having a car, house, retirement plan, kid education abroad, dream of vacation, dream of marriage, everything which is out of budget, here is the company which can finance you personal. This is under the personal, basically their products for personal protection, investment, investing, finance, and advising. If you see their corporate segment, you can say they are having corporate general insurance, group life insurance. These are for the companies, basically group health insurance, private equity, mutual funds, stock and security, portfolio management services, pension funds. If you see their finance segment, in the case of corporate, the corporate finance is for mortgage finance, loan against securities, DCM loan syndication, and yes, advising will be money for life planner and ABC for money. So if you see their advising as a product, protecting basically life insurance advisor, health insurance advisor, mutual funds investors, stock and securities advisor, finance advisor, and select advisor. So you can find the rating, all the things depends on what you want and where you wanted to invest it. Wealth creation solution, income solution, mutual fund, debit fund, equity fund, hybrid fund, ETF fund, saving solutions, tax saving solutions. So these are their solutions available. If you see the check fund performance, complete KYC, register EOD. Basically, we can say this is NBFC, means non-banking finance. Because if you see they are giving banking also product, like if you really wanted to be go ahead with the funds and all, if you are interested to take a loan, then what, then you can go this kind of companies where less number of documents is required comparing to the banks and all. It depends on guys yours. You just go visit. If you're interested in loan and all, you can visit their branch or call their advisor, etc. We are not aware much about this we are not much aware, not, but we can say yes, this company has financed so many projects also. So it's your choice where you really wanted to go ahead with this company or not. Have a great day. Goodbye.